All right, YouTube, we back with another video for you guys. Um, Finally, we put in the Wildcat back together, which is a beautiful car. Look at them hips right there, man. Nothing compared it to some hips like this. Sexy car. See, man, look at them hips. So, we're back here trying to install the door panels on them, on them doors. Look at them clean door panels. Nothing too much, just clean, just beautiful. We got some holes on there. Got some damage on it. No, guys, that's for the armrest hole. Look at this, man. Look at this. Man, it's a beautiful console in here. Look at that. Cocaine white. It's snowing outside, and this thing gonna go on the snow probably tonight or tomorrow morning. Look how beautiful this is, man. Look at that. We are responsible for all this custom stuff, guys. We are not responsible for the seats, carpet, or neither the dash. So we doing the seats, the door panels, the rear panels, we cover them up. We also had to fabricate this headliner because the man he did not have the headliner. So I had to really fabricate this because the headliner on a Wildcat is not like this. It came with some pieces of cardboard. This was his existing headliner. See? I turned it into wire headliner. Let me see if I can find some of them strips. See? So it was like a channel headliner. I don't know how it's called, but it was a funny headliner. So it was a metal piece that this have to grip to hold them pieces right there. But he had it. He had this missing, so he don't have them. So what I did is I forgot about that, and I built my own headliner. Look how beautiful that headliner is, man. It's dirty and stuff, dusty, but we're gonna blow it up before he leaves. All the pieces, all the trim pieces is back on there. But this console, man. And for them guys who are looking for some custom rear decks, look at this, man. Look at this. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but it's darking out for some reason. Look at that. Big rear deck. So we see it from the outside. We can see it from the inside. This is beautiful. Look at it, man. Look at it. Beautifully done. We got a Wildcat in the back right there. We got a Wildcat right there. All that lights up, guys. All that lights up. See? So let me put these door panels back on. We just test fit it. So this is how I mark my door handles. So now I'm gonna remove my screws, do it back over, put it back on, and then I will show you in a little bit. All right, guys, We finally got the doors on. We got the doors on. We're gonna test the lights. Baluk, ponerle el, ¿cómo se llama, no? El jumper, solo para probar las luces. We're gonna test the lights, and we already got the template to do my armrests. So we about to do the armrest, guys, and we go from there. Yes, yes. We're about to check the doors. We got both doors. We got a speaker pod there. We got whatchamacallit there. So basically the only thing we need to do now is start mounting the seats, and this thing is gone. Le pones los kick panels primero. Look at them, guys. Look at them door panels. So you know it's flashing because probably my jump box is not powerful enough. You know, LEDs is kind of funny sometimes. But look at that, man. Beautiful. See, look at that rear deck right there. Man, that looks awesome. Awesome. What you think about this, guys? All right. I'm gonna start building my armrests, and maybe on the next video I will show you a full I'm gonna show you everything that's correctly, like all the way done, you know. Oh, we got this Wildcat over here too on the armrest. So we did light up the armrest also. So see, my jumper box just went off. So yeah. Oh, look. See? Say Wildcat on the armrest. So this car it looks simple, but everything is done up. He got lights everywhere. He got, man, it looked like a pimp car. Look at his steering wheel right there. He got a whole cow on that steering wheel. So I love it. I love the turnout. That's what I mean. I love the turnout. Got Wildcat right there too. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate everyone. Please share the content with friends, with family. Also, guys, like and drop your comments if you like the work we're putting out there. If you don't, I'm sorry. Hopefully one day we make you happy. But I'm happy myself, putting some work out. We got some coming up. We got some hot stuff coming up. Guys, like and share the video.